Viewing information within Visual Parsed Kubernetes, or VpK, is accomplished by selecting one of the tabs in the upper portion of the screen. When you select the tab, it will check to see whether or not a snapshot has been captured. If you do not select a snapshot prior to selecting the tab, you'll receive a message indicating so. Here's an example of what will happen if you have not selected a snapshot prior to selecting a tab. This is the message that you'll receive for any of the tabs if you have not selected a snapshot prior to selecting the tab. To return, you simply click outside the message area or click the close, and it will take you to the selected tab. This message does not prohibit you from navigating to that tab, but it's trying to assist you in understanding that you won't be able to view any data. To enable you to view data, you must select a snapshot. We do that by going to the upper portion of the screen, selecting the drop down, and you can select a running cluster or previous captured snapshot. All of the videos in this series will use previously captured snapshots. There are 3 snapshots that we'll use: AAA MCM, Minikube, and the OC demo. Let's get started for the table view by using Minikube. We select that snapshot, click the connect button, and it's parse the information. For each tab, once you've connected to a snapshot, you then must populate the tab. For the table view, it's the populate table button. This retrieves the snapshot information and puts it in a tabular view for you to begin navigating. You'll notice that the default columns are namespace, kind, and kind name. Kind meaning the K8 resource kind that's defined within the YAML. As indicated in a previous video, if you see information in a table view, simply click on it. So we can click on any one of the values within this table, and it will show us the defined YAML for that resource. Also, if there's an icon in the view, you can click on the icon. Here's an icon, let's click on that, and you'll see that it provides a definition of the resource kind. To close that view, you can click the X in the upper right hand corner, or you can click outside that view and click on the background. That's the way that you would be able to select information within the table. Now, the table view also provides a filter. You can select one or more namespaces. We'll select kubepublic, and we'll select default, and then we'll apply those filters. Once you apply the filters, you'll see that the information is displayed within the table. The table view also has the ability to change the view from linear to more of a individual field view. By using the toggle, you can go full screen, or you can look at all fields associated with that. The one column that is not shown here is fnum, which is an internal control number for each resource. You can download the table. You can download it to any one of these formats, or you can print the table. Now, the easiest way to increase the view size of what's being shown within the table is select this drop down, and then you'll see here that it increases to 25 or 50, and based upon the number of rows, it will even go up to 200 or allow you to view all rows. Now, you can close the filter panel once you've decided or once you've filtered the table to the information that you're wanting. You can also select multiple filters. So each one of these can be selected to have multiple filters. So in this one, we'll go ahead and select pod as well, and we'll apply those filters. And you'll see that the table has been filtered down to pods only. And that's a very quick overview of how to use the table view within VpK, visualizing what's inside of Kubernetes. Thank you.